This dance is called I Love You to the Moon and Back. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, improve a level line dance. Starting on the right foot, step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. Quarter turn shuffle. So we're going to make a quarter turn to start with on the right foot and shuffle forward. Quarter shuffle. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right, walk back, left, right. That section once more then. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back, back. Step back on the left, touch the right over the left. Shuffle forward on the right. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right. Step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn to the right. So there is a 3/4 turn there, those 2 pivot steps. If you wish to try and take that out, your non-turning steps would be, rather than doing this step pivot half, just rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right. Then rock back on the left, as you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the left. End up at the same point as everybody else, but you just take that 3/4 out. Otherwise, that section, stepping back on that left. 7, 8, back, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. Add those 2 sections together. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back, 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 touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, step, pivot. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on the right. Chassé to the left. Into a weave. Cross right over left, left to the side, right behind, step left to the side. That section once more then, cross rock, chassé, half on the left. 7, 8, cross rock, left chassé, cross side behind side. So add that to the top. Side behind turn shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, side behind turn shuffle, forward rock, back, 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 touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross rock, left chassé, cross side behind side. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight back on the left, chassé to the right. Add on a jazz box with a quarter turn cross. So cross left over right, step back on the right, quarter turn left, cross right over left. So that section once more then. Cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, cross. That's our halfway point. Let's take it up to there. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back, 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 touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross rock, left chassé, cross side behind side, cross rock, right chassé, cross back, turn, cross. From our halfway point then, step left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Kick, ball step, right foot leading. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left, and another kick, ball step. So that section once more then. Stepping left to the side, 7, 8, side, touch, kick, ball, step, forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn left, and repeat. Step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn left. Cross points. Cross right over left, point left to the side, cross left over right, point right to the side. So that section once more then. Step pivot quarter, twice off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, point, cross, point. So add that to our halfway point. Side touch, off on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, kick, ball, step, walk, kick, ball, step, pivot, cross, point. And on a jazz box, quarter, cross. Crossing right over left. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, cross. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross shuffle, right over left. So that section once more then, that jazz box, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, cross, side rock, cross shuffle. Let's add that to our halfway point, side touch off on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, kick, ball, step, walk, kick, ball, step, pivot, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side rock, cross shuffle. Last section then. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross shuffle, left over right. Point the right to the side, point the right forward, point the right to the side, flick the right back. End of dance. So that section once more then, side rock off on the left. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, point out, forward, out, flick. Let's add that to our halfway point. Side touch up on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, kick, ball, step, walk, kick, ball, step, pivot, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, point out, forward, out, flick. So that is your two halves. Let's put them together. Side behind off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, shuffle, forward, rock, back, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, step, walk, kick, ball, step, pivot, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, rock, cross, shuffle, point out, forward, out, flick. So that is your dance. So your shuffles, your chassés and your kickballs are all 1 and 2 count timings. The rest are all single counts. So I'm not going to propose to go through the count in this one. I think it speaks for itself. But it is 2 more dance. So let's have a go at the back wall. And we'll keep going when we get to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Side behind, half on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, shuffle, forward, rock, back, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, step, walk, kick, ball, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, point out, forward out, flick, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back, back, touch, right shuffle, step, pivot, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, touch, kick, ball, step, walk, walk, kick, ball, step, pivot, cross, point, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, rock, cross, shuffle, point out, forward, out, flick. So that is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8, side behind, turn shuffle, forward rock, back,
you'd stolen my heart. There was nothing I could do or I could say. When I see you, I hear 1,000 violins and that old jukebox in my heart begins to play. I love you to the moon, back till the sea don't touch the shore, till the winds don't blow, the ducks don't rock, and the birds don't sing no more. You're the rose of my heart, and I hope we'll never part. You'll always be the one for me, right from the start. To be like a sweet melody every time that you call me by my name. And when I kiss your lips, I taste all the things I miss when you're not here. You are my chocolates and champagne. I love you to the moon and back till the sea don't touch the shore, till the wind don't blow, the dogs don't bark, and the birds don't sing no more. You're the rose of my heart, and I hope we'll never part. You've always been the one for me, right from the start. Whatever would I do if you ever went away? My world would fall apart, there would be no happy days. You're the rose of my heart, and I hope we'll never part. You've always been the one for me,
Hope you managed that one.